The best thing about REDISA is that they are not fussy about your qualifications, your background. In my case, I didn't have a registered company, so they accommodated me and I got to register my company and got all the legal compliance documents that I need. Since I've joined REDISA, my life has improved, my employees' lives have improved. I've been able to send them for skills training and they have job security. I used to be in the tyre repair business, and we were looking at a way to get rid of our scrap tires. Being part of REDISA and the circular economy, I think we can definitely make this world a better place.
The Nelson Mandela University REDISA partnership has really done wonders for the university. Currently we have 18 projects running across different disciplines. A number of them are based in the chemistry department, but we also have projects in the civil engineering, we have projects in construction management, as well as in computer science, and very soon we're hoping to also have projects in the economics aspect of things, because circular economy is quite critical and is centered to our research and development. With such partnerships, we are able to drive the research programs without putting too much strain on the universities, nor even government. And we are hoping that our payback will be creating more jobs for the communities in which we are based.
And we know, even when I was growing up, I played with tires. So we wanted to know whether they are a danger into our society. That's what motivated my whole project since from honors. So in honors, I extracted the oil. I developed a method to extract the oil to check whether the oil is it harmful to the environment, because some of the oils that can be used to make tires, they contain polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, which are in danger to the environment and health.
I'm currently doing a project in my master's in polymer chemistry, and that we are focusing on recycled plastics. We're now trying to find new ways into developing products that are recyclable, that can be biodegradable, and that can be reused over and over again.
Ultimately, the importance of the Product Testing Institute, particularly for waste management, is that you can differentiate the fee that is paid as a waste management fee to extended producer responsibility organizations like REDISA. So the idea behind the Product Testing Institute is that it will test different tires from all over the world, and then it will apply an environmental rating. That rating will go from good to poor. In other words, a tire that has a good environmental rating will incur a lower fee, and for waste management, and a tire with a bad environmental rating will incur a higher fee. In so doing, you create a direct economic incentive for creating more environmentally sustainable products, what we call products that eventually will get to zero waste. Now that is the theoretical idea. It's a cradle-to-cradle based technology, and this is really the first step in trying to get towards or incentivizing producers to think more along the lines of cradle-to-cradle based manufacturing techniques. So the Product Testing Institute will be an independent organization with an independent board. It will have representatives of extended producer responsibility organizations on it, but then also academics and also external individuals. However, the scientific operation of the Product Testing Institute and the engineering-based tests, as well as the chemistry-based tests, are obviously going to lend themselves towards academic inquiry. So particularly master's, PhD students will benefit from having the Product Testing Institute close by. So the PTI really, in the long term, is envisaged to have quite an important role in feeding back into the industry, but also into academia.
Here at Langkloof Bricks, we use about 40,000 waste tyre casings every month and as such we've replaced our dependency on coal that we've used to use in the past. Tyres that we're burning at a temperature in excess of 1250 degrees in order to destroy all the carcinogens and to lower the impact on the environment. Tyres as a fuel source to generate hot air has been very well supported, and we've had very good backing from the REDISA process as a whole in supplying that demand. At one stage we were actually using more coal as a drying medium than what we were using as a firing medium, and the cost of that coal was just getting incredibly high. And we did on waste sites trying to find a discard product, a waste product that might just fall into a category where we can utilize that product as an alternative fuel to dry our bricks. It dawned on us back in the late 90s that waste tyres being an international waste problem, that if we can somehow change our furnace where we burn the coal to accommodate waste tyres, that it would enable us to utilize a waste as a resource, and thereby reducing our dependency on coal.